Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Yohei Kamiya. What's up? How are you? So today's I'm going to make karaage. Everybody love karaage, right? I mean karaage means fried chicken. Everybody love fried chicken. You know what I'm saying? So let's just check it out. And fried chicken and between karaage, what's the difference between? Karaage, we put the salt and pepper or some spice and soy sauce or sake, mirin, and something like that. We soak chicken. That's the point for the karaage. So basically, fried chicken is we put the taste or like a spice or salt and pepper into the batter. So it's maybe when you making the American fried chicken, you don't soak spice into the chicken. So just put the butter and put the spice or some taste. So that's the difference between karaage soak soy sauce the chicken. So that's the difference between. Yeah, of course, if we have garlic, you should put the garlic, but I'm not prefer to put garlic. So today's making a very simple soy sauce, sake, ground ginger, and salt and pepper. It's very simple. If you want to put the spice, you can put the spice. It's up to you. People use doubanjiang. It is a Chinese spicy miso called doubanjiang. Yeah. It's very popular in Japan too. We put for karaage or some people put the gyoza, dumpling, something like that. So yeah, you should put the doubanjiang also. But today's I don't want to put the doubanjiang or any garlic. Okay. Okay, I'm going to put salt first and black pepper. Just keep watching. Check it out. And next soy sauce, I put 2 ounces around. And sake. If you don't have, you can put a mirin. That's okay. But mirin is very sweet, so just be careful how much you use. And actually, if you don't have white wines, maybe okay. This I put the sake for here to the makes the chicken makes the soft. So for the sake alcohol. So that's the key point. And ginger. Sorry, I love ginger, so I put a lot, but I don't put the garlic this time. Okay. So now mix as well. But be careful. This one has the bone, so. Okay, I forgot. We gotta put the 2 eggs. Yeah, you can put. Good, thank you. Ooh, okay. Ouch! It's okay. Alright. And mix as well. Dry garlic like this, and sriracha. Everybody love, right? So these 4 things we're gonna make a garlic chili oil. Okay, we're gonna put cornstarch with potato starch and put together like that. Okay. Okay, today's karaage, not fried chicken. It's different. So I'm gonna eat right now. So this is the karaage here. Oh yeah, a little bit squeezed lemon. Okay, now ready to eat. Thank you so much. Op, 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 op. Okay, it's kind of really big. Okay, いただきます。Thank you. So good. I need a Coke right now. Or I need a beer. Not Corona beer. I need a SAPPORO beer. Okay, anyway. So this is a karaage with bone. Usually we put without bone, just one small bite, and use chopstick. That's why one small bite. but this time American style with Japanese karaage. So it is between karaage, like American style karaage. How about that? Okay. The taste was really juicy and really tasty. The outside is really crunchy because I put the potato starch and cornstarch. That is the point. So it's crunchy and inside the sort of juicy. So because the leg part has a lot of oil, so really juicy. It's so good. So that's why you should squid. You should use lemon and squid. That is the best way. Or you can put garlic crunchy sauce. I mean spicy chili garlic sauce. That's good for you too. I'm not prefer to use the garlic, so this time I didn't use it. So if you're interested, just try. Okay, alright guys, thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe my channel, and I hope see you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.